Welcome to another Workshop Wednesday with Empowering Wellness Counseling Solutions. Our licensed mental health counselor, Jennifer Evans, kicked off this week by talking about micro shifts in day-to-day life. So really chunking down some of those big picture mountains that we will get to one day into a bite-sized moment that we can focus on today. And in our Workshop Wednesday, we're going to be doing a small micro meditation. So today we're really going to tune into our body and then tune into what our mind is saying. And maybe this practice will help you on your bigger journey towards change. So we'll start by closing our eyes if that's something you're comfortable with. You are completely allowed to keep the eyes open if that keeps you more grounded right now. I will close my eyes. And we'll start with a deep breath in through the nose, actually feeling the deepest breath that you've taken today and intentionally thinking, this is the deepest breath I've taken today. Let's do one more of those, maybe a little bit deeper. And one more, this time focusing on it being a little bit slower and pausing at the top with the lungs full. Now, relaxing the shoulders and noticing if there's any place in your body where you're holding some micro tension. Could it be in the eyebrows? Is it still in the shoulders and the neck? Just take a moment to notice your posture and shift it. Roll the shoulders back and down, sit up a little taller, engage the core. Now relax down. Noticing just the differences in your posture when you're intentional about it versus not intentional. And any of those micro tensions in the body, just taking the time to release them. Or even just notice them. Maybe you can't release it right now, and that is okay. From here, we'll start to take a shift from our body to our mind, and we'll have a micro gratitude moment. So sometimes gratitude can feel like this big thing that we feel like we need to feel all the time, and that's not true. But what can be helpful is when we take just a small intentional moment to think of one thing, small, big, anywhere in between, that we're grateful for. Could even be that deepest breath of the day that you took. Holding on to this little micro gratitude moment, maybe smiling out loud or in your mind's eye. Or maybe you don't feel like smiling. Maybe just going straight into a hard frown, moving the face muscles, seeing if it does the opposite action. From these micro shift moments, micro shifting in the body, micro shifting in the mind, just thanking yourself for taking the time to do this today, in this present moment. Taking a deep breath through the nose and out through the mouth. Opening the eyes up if they're closed. Coming back to the space around you, or maybe you never left. That's okay too. Thank you for joining me on this micro shift moment, and I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday.